Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's look at yet shortcuts involved in solving problems under logarithmic function of differentiation. So last class we look at the introduction to this concept. So let's look at the shortcuts under this. Let's take an example to explain, right? So let's have an example. So let's say I have y equal to log 2x. For instance, I have this, so I'm asked to differentiate this one using shortcut. Although very shortcut, I'll use what we know before. I'll solve this thing using what we know before, and then from there I'll show the shortcut. What do we know? So let u to be this, so u should be 2x, right? So I know that the u over the x will give me 2. Next task there is that we said after this process we now say but y is equal to log what? This man 2x is now u, so log u. So I'm saying that the y over the u will be equal to log u gives 1 over u. I expect you should know how I got to this by now. Let's stop here using chain rule. So using chain rule, what do I know? The y over the x is equal to the y over the u times du over the x. All right, I have this. Proceeding from here, proceed. The y over the u, is 1 over u, so I have 1 over u times u dx. The u dx, of course, 2. That's 2. 1 times 2 is 2 over this u is this u, yeah? To get my final dy over the x is that it is easy as replace your u with 2x, that's all. So dy over the x, so dy over the x will be equal to 2 over what's u? U is of course 2x, so that's 2x. What do we expect? This one will cancel this, so I have 1 over x as my answer using my normal concept. Let's now use the shortcut. Let's see what happens. Let's now use the shortcut to see what will happen. For the log function shortcut, there are basically just 2 concepts. There are 2 rules to note. The first rule to note when it comes to this shortcut is that differentiate the term in brackets as the answer for numerator. So I'm saying differentiate the term in bracket has numerator in bracket answer. All right, the second step is to repeat the question as the denominator value or answer. So repeat the function as the value for the numerator. All right. First, differentiate the term in bracket as numerator answer. Repeat the function as the value for the numerator answer. 1, 2. Now, what am I saying in essence? Let's say I have y equal to log 2x. I want to use shortcut. What do I do? It's easy as I'm having y, I'm having x. That gives the y over the x is equal to, what do we say? We said differentiate the term in brackets as what? As numerator. So if I divide 2x, I'll have 2. It must be numerator. All over, we said repeat the function as the denominator. So repeat the question. What do I have here? I have 2x. 2x is the question back. What do you observe? This cancel this. I have 1 over x. That's all. So just differentiate this one. I have 2. This question, put it down as the denominator, and then do a normal division. I have 1 over x. So 1 over x is still what I have when I used the long procedure, as you can see. This is basically how you solve problem involving the log function of differentiation. All right. Let's take just one more example to explain the shortcut. So let's take one more example. Let me just put a value here. Let's say 4x cubed minus 2. Let's use this. So how do you solve this? This is shortcut. Example 3. Example 2. Let's just solve this. Let's solve this, please. First, what do we know? We said differentiate the term in bracket as numerator. So the y over the x, so the y over the x will be equal to differentiate 4x cubed minus 2. I'll have 12x squared as numerator. All over, repeat the term in bracket, right? Or repeat the function. That's 4x cubed minus 2. This is my answer. You can try using the long procedure, you still get the same answer. Using the shortcut, I have this answer. This is a solve problem involving the shortcut of logarithmic function. Let's look at the final one called trigonometric function in our next class. We'll look at sine, cos, tan, cosine, cosec, cot, and etc. Much more later in our next class. If you found this class helpful, do well to like the video, share to your friends, also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you found some of these courses interesting, so you can get more of these courses on in my website at www.ganiyubakar.com. In my website, you get close to different science courses there. You can go there to purchase the one you want, and then it's a lifetime access. So it gives you a lifetime access. I also just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. To get the book, you can see as I'm showing you the the book cover page. To get the book, you can check my website, or you can send me a DM, and I will send you the book. So that's how you can get the book. Also do it to join my WhatsApp community. So I'll drop the link to my WhatsApp group channel in the description of this video. So join our WhatsApp channel to get updates such as this before others. See you in our next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.